Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the cabin air filter, as you can see, on this Seat Altea 1.6 liters. In this case you can find the air filter here on the passenger side. It is very easy to change this filter and okay, let's move on. Here we are, and the filter is inside this housing here. In order to reach the air filter, we have to move this cover this way, on the right. Now just pull down, as you can see, and the filter will come down. Okay, and here we are. This is the old air filter. Remember the position, of course. Okay, take the new filter and push it in place as the old one. Okay, just push it inside the housing like this. Okay, once the filter is inside, just put the cover back on. Be sure to match these hooks with these 3 holes that you can see here on the bottom of the filter. Okay, and now we can push back the filter in place and then push to the left this way, and we're done. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like or comment down below, and see you in my next video. Ciao.